Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can count unique values in Excel. So here we have a list of customer IDs. Now right off the bat we can tell that customer A102 is listed at least twice in this list. But what we're trying to do is get a unique count of all the customers we have in this list. Now the best way to do this is to create a function within a function. And before I show you what that looks like, please smash the like button. It helps me out so much. And if you really want, go ahead and subscribe. So basically in an adjacent cell, we're going to type equals, and we're going to use the count A function. Now for that first value that it's going to ask us for, we're going to type another function. So this is where the function within a function comes, and we'll type the unique function. Now the array we're going to want to select is our entire customer ID data range. So this first cell B2 all the way down to the end of the list. So that's going to be our range or our array. Then we'll end parenthesis, and go ahead and hit enter. And that's going to give us a unique count of all of these customer IDs. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. That's how you can count unique values in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.